For one thing, my name is Christine Vitale, and I work in career development, and it's so good to see some of you again, because we don't get much chance to speak outside of career issues. So it's good to be able to hear some of what you have to say. So I thank you for your presentations. But I wanted to ask you this. In this country, many times we hear about certain citizens groups demanding their rights. What often isn't discussed is what their responsibilities are in their pursuits of obtaining their rights. And I'm wondering if anyone here on the panel might speak to that question. I mean, many people demand rights, but we overlook what sometimes responsibilities may be as citizens. And sometimes, in some cases, that is what needs to be addressed. At least I could speak for certain demographic groups in the United States who have made a case for their rights. Some will argue that they don't handle their responsibilities. So anything that you might say on this subject would enlighten me.
Thanks for your question, ma'am. In the absence of equal opportunity for all citizens, which may cause despair and deception, we cannot ask people for their duties first, because the government is there to serve the people and represent them. So when that's absent, we cannot reach the level of asking people, hey, are you really exercising your responsibilities first before asking for your rights? I think people have the right first to be well represented and to be treated fairly on their land where they are born and raised and working hard enough before we can tell them what are your responsibilities. Give me the conditions to exercise my responsibilities first, and I would not deceive you. But if you're asking me first, without giving me the circumstances for me to do what you're asking me to do, it's not going to work. You can't drive a car with 4 flat tires.